If you are a beginner who wants to learn AutoCAD, start from scratch, or maybe if you already know about AutoCAD, who just want to brush up old topic, want to learn new features of AutoCAD, or maybe you are preparing for certification exam and want to know everything that is required for that exam, then this course just right for you. Why? Let me tell you why. This course structures into two main parts. Part 1 is video lectures, which are divided into sections and modules. Now the Part 2 practice exercises, which is followed by the video lectures. The end of every modules there is practice exercise related to every module. 60 plus video lectures, 21 hours of content. So if all of these sounds good, then check our course. Visit our website for more details.